We want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending these dolls to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Today, we are taking a look at Barbie's signature Black Widow dolls. Based on the movie that originally was supposed to be released in 2020, but now has been pushed to May 7th, 2021. What? No Marvel movie this year? Even though we have to wait for the movie, we don't have to wait for the dolls. I, for one, am so happy that Mattel is making Marvel dolls. Loving that face sculpt, which is called the Scarlett Johansson facial sculpt. These dolls were released on September 24th, 2020. On Mattel's website, it says this one is platinum label, priced at $50. Age is listed as adult collectors. She also comes in a black suit. This one was listed on Amazon, priced at $50. Glancing at them in the box, they look pretty much the same, only the coloring is different. But the bottom of this box does say limited edition. On the side of the box, there is an illustration of the character in uniform. On the other side, we have the Black Widow sign. And on the back, it says Marvel Black Widow at the top. There's an illustration. And at the bottom, it says, Barbie captures the attitude of Black Widow, aka Natasha Romanoff. Armed with dual batons and her electric Widow's Bite gauntlets, Black Widow combines acrobatics with her expertise in various martial arts, including karate, kung fu, and judo, to accomplish her mission. Marvel's Black Widow Barbie doll reflects the unwavering bravery and unstoppable determination she uses in the fight to protect the world. The same language is on both boxes, so that's pretty cool if you choose to only get one. Now let's get these girls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, both dolls come with a doll stand, a certificate of authenticity. This one says Black Label, and the limited edition doll says Platinum Label. It even has a number in the top corner. This doll is 3,223 out of 5,000. Wow, they only made 5,000. Let's take a closer look at this Platinum Label doll. She has green eyes. Now they are a little pixelated, including her eyebrows, but in my opinion, it's not that bad. If you're going to take a very close-up shot, yes, it will be noticeable, but for a general photo, like of her doing something, you probably won't really see it. Her lip color is nice and smooth. Her red hair is a blend of two colors. There's a little bit of a curl at the bottom, and she has one braid on the side. I think this doll does favor the actress. I can totally see Scarlett Johansson there. However, when it comes to styling, I would have liked to have seen it a little shorter just to stay true to the character. But you know, short hair can be tricky when trying to get it to lay correctly. She wears a white bodysuit. It has a collar, long sleeves, and the legs go all the way down to the ankle. The collar is pinned down with little plastic stays. Now those are creating a tiny hole in the garment. If you don't plan to take your doll out of the box, then this probably isn't a big deal. She has printed details. Some little knee guards are printed on. It is completely printed on the back as well. I don't see an opening on the back to remove the bodysuit. I can see what looks like blind stitching right here in the front. So perhaps if you want to remove the garment, you would have to cut these stitches. She wears white armor on her shoulders. It's held in place with elastic and has some red details. Here we have what appears to be a tactical backpack. It fastens in the back underneath the arm, has some red details, and there are little openings in the top to hold her batons, functioning as a baton holster. She wears a black utility belt with the black and red hourglass at the buckle. This is a faux buckle. It actually fastens in the back at the waist and around the legs. There are weapons attached to the thigh. They are in a holster and are not removable. She has white knee-high boots that have an opening in the back in case you want to remove them. No ankle joint. She wears electric widow's bite bracelets. They are black with silver painted details, and she comes with 2 batons. Her hands are curled to hold them. They are removable, and I can see that she has painted on gloves. Whenever I see a doll with painted on gloves, I always hope and wish that they would include a second pair of interchangeable hands. This doll does have the articulated superhero body, which in my experience tend to have a more muscular tone. You can really see that around the thigh area. They have articulation at the head, the shoulder, a double joint at the elbow like a made to move. Then we have some articulation at the wrist. They can move at the hip and bend at the knee. It's that really good made to move knee. However, this is not a made to move doll body. There is no twist at the upper arm or movement at the chest, the upper thigh, or the ankle. But I would love to see those things added to the superhero body. Just throwing that out there. Now let's take a look at the Black Label Barbie. The face paint appears to be the same. She has green eyes and a nice smooth lip color. But look at that! She has 3 little painted on earrings. Wait a minute, does the other one have that too? Yes, she does. And it's actually included in the sculpt. You can feel little ridges. And look at that, there's some even on the top of the ear. She has them too. Both dolls have the same hair color. However, her part is kind of in the center and it is pulled back into a long ponytail with 3 twists. She has some nice curl to her hair in the back. Wears the same baton holder backpack. Her bodysuit is black and gray with shiny black shoulder armor with red details. They are held in place with black elastic. She wears black and gold electric widow's bite bracelets. Comes with 2 batons, black painted on gloves, black and gold electric widow's bite bracelets. Her utility belt is black with painted gold and red details. She wears black boots and also has the articulated superhero body. I am a huge Marvel fan, so these dolls are totally a must-have for me. I absolutely love the Barbie proportions. The utility belts are a great touch with painted details. However, I do wish there was a way to easily remove the clothing, and I would have liked for these edges to have been folded over and sewn. But I can live with the pixelated face paint for these 2 dolls because I am just loving that Scarlett Johansson face sculpt, and I really love her hair color. And I am just over the moon that Mattel and Marvel are working together to create new dolls. Now just give me the rest of the Avengers and I will be good to go. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Marvel's Black Widow doll created by Mattel. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.